to adjust Dr. Sean. We thought that this is a really good way to explain to you what we do, not only show you, but doctor treating doctor, and vice versa. So, I'm going to bring the table up. And I'm going to treat Dr. Sean, again, a couple different ways. We are showing you different techniques that we do in our office. And as we've explained before the adjustment techniques, we usually do our muscle work to try to retrain some of the muscles so they start holding the adjustments better. Therefore, you're not coming into our office 2, 3, 4 times a week. That's not our style. We're here to get you better, get you out of our office, and come back for maintenance care. I'm going to say about 95% of our patients know when they need to get back in or right before they're going to get really in trouble. So wellness care is what we aim for. And most, after they realize how good they feel after the adjustment, they realize, after a couple months, they realize, hey, I don't want to feel like that anymore, so I'm coming back into their office before I get that way. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
As my mom always used to say, or says, I don't know how people live without chiropractic. But you don't know until you know.
We're doing a drop table.
Okay, now I'm going to do a technique called the Talson technique. Our table runs on an air compressor. So the table pieces come up, I make the adjustment, and as the adjustment goes, it goes with a big bang, but it's really nice and gentle to the spine. We treat all our patients like they're our own family. So that's why we give you a half hour, an hour on the first treatment, because we take you in and do an evaluation and consult and explain everything to you, and then half hour treatments thereafter. The majority of our patients are not seen 3 times a week because we do this as a half hour treatment. The adjustments hold longer and better. So we are treating our patients initially about twice a week, and you know, we do our own evaluations and stuff. It depends on the patient, but I think we've only had a few patients where we've actually treated them 3 times a week. And if you've had any kind of issues, you'll understand it's the ones that are kind of crawling, literally crawling up the little step here in the front and into the treatment room, or a loved one bringing them in. We've had people in, you know, little wheelchairs and stuff, and yeah, we make them feel a lot better. Just depends on the patient. Dr. Sean just said, ouch. We'll make that ouch feel better. I know they have holsters for those things, for the impulse. That's my next thing I'm going to buy because I get tired of putting it down. Really, it just becomes a habit of carrying it around with you after you've adjusted a few patients. But I do like the holster that Dr. Chris Kaloka came up with. And I love this technique, nice and gentle. Just a beautiful results. So many people are, you know, well, maybe you don't know, but some people are scared to come into a chiropractor. So, nice, effective, gentle way of adjusting the spine really helps. We're going to stop the tape and hope you enjoyed watching Dr. Sean getting adjusted, and before that, myself getting adjusted. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next video because we'll have more to come. Thank you.